Fine. So now I'll go to the Java part. Okay. Now I'll go to the Java part. Fine. So now I need to integrate all the buttons. First, I need to tell the Java thing. There are buttons in the XML. There are buttons in the XML. Upon clicking it, it is further actions. I need to define there is a button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 plus 0 hash call save and delete. How many buttons? 9 buttons. Plus is 10, 0 is 11, hash is 12. Call button is 13, save button is 14 and delete button is 15. 15 buttons are there. Correct? Correct. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need to save my Java page. Yes, there are 15 buttons. Okay. Now, see here. I'm not changing anything. Okay. This is your default program. Your package name and the class, library class and the main activity. So you will be having like this. Okay. First thing in the main activity, I need to say there are buttons. Okay. There is a button. See, I'm giving the suggestion. It is giving the suggestion. There is a button. How many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 plus 0, okay, 0, comma, hash, comma, call button, save button, delete button, semicolon. Okay. How many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. This is I'm defining the like a variable. Okay. Like a button, I'm like it is a data type of a button. I am naming it as. Now the picture starts. Okay. 1 is equal to my Java 1 button. Java button 1 is equal to there is a button. There is a button. Okay. Find that button. Find that button by the ID. Resources with having a ID as 1. Okay. What is my first button ID? What is my first button ID? Can you see this? ID as 1. Okay. In the XML, I'll repeat it once, one more. Java 1 button is equal to, okay, there is a button, okay, there is a button in XML. Find that button by the ID. There is a view, views, controls and views. There is a view, there is a button in the resource with an ID, okay, in the resource with an ID 1, semicolon. Okay. So where is my project? In the resource file, right? In the resource file, I have the lever in the activity main. Okay. With an ID of 1. I'm telling the same thing. In the resource, with the ID as 1. So this 1 XML is integrated with 1 Java. Or else I'll be renaming as for the complete picturization. I'll take Java 1, Java 2, Java 3. I don't want to confuse you. Java 4, Java 5, Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, Java 9, Java plus, Java 0, Java hash, Java call, Java save, Java delete. Okay, so now my Java 1 is equal to, okay, my Java 1 is equal to, there is a button, there is a button in XML. Find that button by the ID as 1. Okay, now you only tell me Java 2 button is equal to, there is a button, there is a button, find that view by ID, resource dot ID dot 2. In XML I have given it as 2. Can you see this here? So only you need to remember carefully. Okay, if you are integrating 3 with your 2, then it is gone. Okay, 2, this 2 is integrated with your Java 2. Similarly, I'll just copy paste this to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 0 hash call save delete. Okay, now this is Java 3, this is 3, this is Java 4, this is 4, this is Java 5, this is 5, this is Java 6, this is 6, this is Java 7, this is 7, this is Java 8, this is 8, this is Java 9, this is 9, this is Java plus, this is plus in my XML, this is Java 0, this is 0, this is Java Ash, this is Ash. Next, this is Java call, this is my call, XML call. Java save, this is save, and this is Java delete, this is delete. Clear? Any doubts? Okay, I'll just open the project. Okay. Now am I clear? Now what is the thing? What is the question? What is my question? My question is, upon clicking the call, that should be a calling the number. Upon clicking the save, that should be saving my number. Correct? So anyone just remind me by 3:15. You need to go for a QCM meeting, right? Okay, 3:15, 3:10. Anyone just remember? In a flow, I'll be forgetting. Okay, you need to attend the QCM meeting. Okay, now I'll just integrate. Upon clicking, what should happen? Okay, now I'll take Java 1 itself. Okay, I'll take Java 1 itself. 9. One more thing. One more thing. Buttons over. There is a edit text, right? There is a edit text in your main concept is edit text dialer. That we need to rename it as dial. Okay, I am renaming it as dial. Oh, see here. Let it be like that only because see here. One demonstration also I need to show you. If I rename this as dial, everything is getting disappeared. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why? Anyone, can you tell me why? Because initially you have integrated this one constraint is the top one is the bottom of your dialer. Initially it was having the dialer as what is the dialer? Edit text person name. Now if I need to change, see here, for the first button, edit text person name bottom off. Can you see this? Bottom off. Then second button, control copy, no, bottom off. If I want to change the ID of your dialer, then it is gone. Again, I need to refactor it. Okay, that is not a big issue. I can find and replace it, but we'll take this ID itself. Okay, what is my ID? Edit text person name. Okay, so I need to integrate this. So there is a edit text. Okay, there is the edit text. What is dialer? Okay, semicolon. So I need to integrate this. There is a dialer. My Java dialer is equal to, there is a edit text in my XML. Find that view by ID or dot ID dot. What is the ID of the edit text? Edit text person name. Correct? Is that fine? Okay, I'll demonstrate for one thing. Okay, now all the buttons and the edit text has been integrated. Yes or no? Only the text view is not needed. Okay, it is like text view. It is like heading. It is not clickable. It is not needed only. So I am not taking that. Okay, 15 buttons and one edit text has been integrated with your Java. Correct? Now your task is, okay, now your task is, upon clicking the one button, Java one button, what should happen? Okay, for that, listen carefully for the beginners. Java one button, if I am clicking that, dot set on click listener. Okay, set on click listener, upon clicking the listener should, I'm creating a method, new view dot on click listener. I'm just entering that. Automatically I'm giving on click view. Is that fine? I'll do it once again. Upon clicking Java 1 dot, okay, set on click listener, new view on click listener should happen. New view on click. I'm not typing at to override public void on click view. I'm not typing anything. Upon clicking Java 1, set on click listener, new view on click listener should happen. Then I'll say my edit text. What is my edit text? What is my edit text? Dialer is my edit text. Okay, dialer is my edit text. Set the text. Okay, dialer dot set the text. Set the text. Okay, set the text as null. Okay, set the text as null. Okay, next I'll define one string here. Okay, I'll define string phone number. Okay, string phone number is equal to dialer. Okay, my edit text dot get text to string, get the text to string. Okay, to string, is that fine? Get the text and to string. Initially it is dialer will be set to the null, then phone number. Okay, phone number is equal to, okay, phone number upon clicking 1, right? So upon clicking 1, the phone number should be, okay, upon clicking the phone number 1, it should be plus. Okay, plus is equal to 1 semicolon. See, this is very important. Plus, then my dialer should set the text. Initially it was null, then I'll rename it with phone number. If I press, see, I'll re-mention this. Upon clicking Java 1, something should happen. Okay. Initially, dialer will be setting text, edit text. My edit text will be null. Okay. I am creating a phone number string and I am giving as plus is equal to. Plus means, say for example, if I press 9, then it should remain like this only, 9 only. Again, adding upon plus 9844641646. Okay, now initially it will be null, then it will be redirected as 1, then I'll be setting the text as phone number as 1. Dialer edit text, my dialer edit text will be set the text as 1 because phone number plus 1 is equal, plus is equal to 1. Okay, let me see. I'll run the program. Stop this. Run this program. I'll run this program. Then I'll be getting a emulator. Okay. Can you see the emulator? Yes. See here. Upon clicking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 0 hash call save delete. I'm double clicking on that. Nothing is happening. I'm clicking on this one. What happened? My dialer edit text with it's setting the text as the 1. I have defined, yes, it should be set the text as 1. Okay. Now similarly, coming to the next part. Okay, Java 2. Okay, my Java 2 button. Upon clicking that, set on click the listener, new view should happen. New view on click listener. Okay, string. Okay, string phone number is equal to dialer dot get text dot to string, whatever dialer is having. Okay, so whatever the dialer phone number should be there. Okay, so that should be declared in this. Okay, next on click. First, initially dialer will be set text. Okay, dialer will be set text to the null. Okay, then phone number plus is equal to 2 semicolon, then dialer. Okay, dot set text phone number. Okay, next I'll stop this. I'll run this program. One, two, okay, one, two, one, two. Okay, so delete button is not working. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is not working. See, literally I have made a mistake to show you. If you are using the separate buttons, see here, you have run the program 1. Okay, see 1, it is setting as a phone number. Okay, if you press 2, it is setting as a 2. Again, if it is 1 added, is it fine? Am I clear? You should not program like this. This is the wrong programming, wrong technique. Is that fine? See, for one button it is okay. Okay, I'll delete this and I'll run this. Many of you will do the mistake, the same mistake you will do. I'll press 1. Sir, it is working, sir. Because why I am telling this because upon clicking, I have never taught you other than this. Is it so? Others who are expert, have I taught other than this for setting the listener for any button? Anyone? Answer my question. Hey, why you are not replying? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, other than this method for clicking a button, have I taught you other than this? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
So this is the ruled out one. For a single button, it is okay. Say for
I guess
example,
yes,
call
sir.
button. Okay, call. Okay, there is a Java call. Java call button is there. Set on click listener. New view all click listener. Okay, new all click listener. Call number. I am just calling a method. Okay, so I'm getting a red mark. Why I'm getting red mark? Because alt enter, create a method. Okay, in the main activity. Okay, call number, it has been created. Next, similarly for save button, Java save button. Okay, dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, save number. I am calling the save number method. Okay, I'll what I'll write. I'll know. I'm least bothered. Next. So why I'm getting this? Because I'm not define a method define a method in the main activity. Alt enter, create a method in the main activity. Yes. Whatever I can write here. Okay. Upon clicking the call button, it will say. Okay. Let me demonstrate toast also. Okay. Upon clicking the call button, I can toast a message. Toasting means a small few seconds of message will be displayed. Okay. See, toast dot make text. Okay. Make text where? In this main activity dot this comma. What is the text? Okay, this is call button. Okay, this is call button, comma toast dot length short, okay, dot show semicolon. Is that fine? For the same thing, save button, save, upon clicking save button, you need to toast a message, toast make text, where in the main activity dot this comma, this is save button comma, okay, toast length should be short dot show. Okay, next, see here, stop this, play this. See here, I'll press call. This is call button. Can you see this? I press call. This is call button. Login failed, login successful. You will be getting a message, right? That is toast message. Next, I'll press save button. This is save button. How I am getting? If you have one, see, one button, one function, then you can use like this. This is a method to use. I have taught you like this only. But there, what is happening? Here, what is happening? How many buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 buttons, including DL, 13 buttons. 13 buttons, it should play in edit text only. Did you get my point? See, call button, something should happen. Okay, I'm pressing this call button. Okay, I'm creating one method that is happening. Save button, one function. Save button, save function. But here, if I press 1, it should be redirected to edit text only. If I press 2, it should be redirected to edit text only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 0 hash delete is with respect to delete or add the number in the dialer. Are you getting my point? Yes. So I just wanted to teach you this method also. Sir, CS I've done like this. EC I've done like this. I don't want that. Okay. I don't want my students to learn beyond the rules. Okay. Rule is void rules. I don't want my students to do that. Okay. So call number and save number, we will be defining something. Okay. So we will be defining, for the time being, I have defined this toast message. Any doubts till now? How to make the button clickable? How to make a button clickable? Any doubts? Upon clicking, can you just imagine now how your WhatsApp application, upon clicking your status button, how it is redirected to status page? Can you just imagine? Upon clicking settings button, it is going to the settings page. Can you just imagine? Yes, this is the function they are writing. Status button, on click listener, new view on click listener. So you are sending the page from main activity to status page. That's all. Are you getting my point? But in the same page, all different 13 buttons are adjacent to the same edit text, then you should not use this method. Okay, it is more confusing for you guys. You need to use a method which I'll be demonstrating now. Okay, up to this, any doubts? See, call button and save button. I have just redirected to this is call button and save button. I'll be defining something for the call button. It should be redirected to call. If it is save button, save. First we need to take the input, right? First we need to take 9844641646. First we need to take the input. If we are not taking the input number, then call button and save button, what it will do? Are you getting my point? Any doubts till now? Shall I continue? Say yes or no, man. Okay, yes, fine. Fine. So okay. To have a separate, okay. So one more method is, okay, for each button you need to mention on click. Okay, on click is equal to some name you should tell, button click. Okay, it will be in the red mark because it has not been used. Okay, I'll be saying you. Second, okay, on click. Okay, button click. Okay, third one, on click, button click. Fourth one, on click, button click. Okay, in design part also we can do it. Fifth one, on click, button click. Okay, then sixth one, on click, button click, on click, button click. Then eighth one, on click, button click. Then ninth one, on click, button click. Then plus, on click, button click. 0, on click, button click. Okay, hash, on click, button click. Delete, on click, button click. Okay, now we have mentioned on click, button click, on click, button click for everything. Okay, for all 13 buttons you have mentioned that. Now in main activity.java, you need to mention like this. Okay, so see here, you need to mention, okay, you need to mention like this, public. Okay, now I need to show you how it is red mark. See here in the code you have all red mark here, button click, button click, button click, button click, button click. Okay, for call and save button it is not having red mark. For everything it is having red mark, correct? I'll remove the red mark now. See here, public void button click. Okay, button click event of view. Okay, button click. Okay, view v open brace enter. Can you see one red mark here in XML now? Where is the red mark? No red mark. No red mark is there. See, listen carefully. So no red mark is there. Fine. Now, main activity I'm going. This is the main important thing in your 8th program. Okay. Then switch function I'm using. My view get ID, view button ID, get ID. Okay. Get ID, open brace, enter, case r dot id dot, okay, id dot, first one is 1, okay, semicolon, enter, no, not semicolon, okay, semicolon, colon, okay, enter. Switch cases you know, right, how to use. Case 1, that is case 1, instead of case 1 I am writing case r dot id dot 1 colon, not the semicolon. Then if I press like that, upon pressing the on click button, my dialer should set the text as null initially. Then I will create a string as phone number. I don't have the habit of creating, okay, int x comma y comma z, okay, then int x is equal to 10. I don't have that option. X is equal to y plus z, okay, then I'll declare as int x, int y, int z, okay, like that. Now I need a string, okay, I need a string. It should reflect 1 in my string, okay. So phone number I am getting error. Alt enter. See here, create a local variable phone number. Yes, I'll create a phone number. I'll take it as string phone number, okay. Phone number is equal to my dialer dot get text dot to string, semicolon, okay. Is that fine? Next, my dialer should set the text as, initially it is null, set the text as phone number, okay. What is my phone number now? For the case 1, 1. Understood? Next, I will break. Understood my case? Next, similarly, case 2, okay. What is my case 2? Case 2, it should go as case, okay, phone number as 2, correct. Next, case 3, that is my id 3, button 3. If I press button 3, it should set the text as 3. Next, case 4, okay, fourth button, I will set it as 4. Next, similarly case 5, okay, 5 button 5. Next, you are making the choices in the switch case, right? Okay, you will enter any two numbers. Choice number 1 addition, choice number 2 subtraction, choice number 3 display, choice number 4 return. Like that I am doing. Case 6, okay, case 6 number 6. Case 4, case 7, case 7 number 7. Case 8, case 8 Number 8. Case 9. Number 9. Case 10. Case 10 is not there. Case plus. Case plus. String plus. That's all. Next. Case 0. 0. Number 0. Then case 0. Okay. Case 0. Ash. Case ash. Ash. Here only you can write cases. Okay. Control V. Case call. Okay. Call number. Okay. You need not to write all this. Okay. See how it has been reduced. Case save also you can write it. Now case save. Save number. Next break. Next case delete. Case delete. For case delete, for case delete, it is one tricky thing. Okay. For case delete, yes, dialer should be initially null. Okay. Dialer should null if my phone number is not equal to null. Is not equal to null. If my phone number is not equal to null, ampersand my phone number, okay, length is greater than 0, then what should happen? Phone number is equal to phone number substring, phone number dot substring 0 comma phone number, okay, phone number dot length -1. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. If my phone number is first, initially it should set text as null. If my phone number is not null, something is there, 9844 is there. If phone number is greater than 0, yes, length is greater than 0, yes, there are 4 digits, then phone number should happen, phone number substring should happen 0 comma phone number length -1, 0 to length, okay, 0 to 4 is there, so 4 minus 1 means 0 to 3 it should happen. 2 upon delete 1 0. Is that fine? Then you need to set the dialer, set the text as your phone number. Then break. Is that fine? Am I clear? But if there is any exception, you need to have a try catch, right? Simple. Try. Okay. Then open this, close this, and say catch exception ex open brace enter close brace. Is that fine? Okay, let me see now. I'll just debug. I'll just debug. We can see the emulator also. I'll play this. Okay, so Gradle building is happening. Now, see here. Call number, I'll just press it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 0 hash delete. Hash is deleted, 0 is deleted, plus is deleted, 9 is deleted, 8 is deleted, 7 is deleted, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, 9, 8, 4, 6, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5. Oh, wrong number. Deleted 6. Any doubts? Any doubts till now? Why is save number and this number is not coming? Call number. Call and save. Okay, leave. We'll see later. Okay. Now, any doubts till now? Fast. We need to attend
No,
the meeting
sir.
when even I need to come.
No, sir.
Okay. 1,
No,
2, 3, 4,
sir.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How it is deleting? How it is accepting the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Is that fine? Okay. We'll continue later after 3:30 after finishing up the QCM meeting.